Officer James Mee says he was passed over for a promotion because he was the one to report Gibson's anti-Semitic remarks. Well, Mel just happens to be a close friend of LA County Sheriff Lee Baca. What do you think?
Well, Joy, today's your lucky day because I've done employment cases where I've represented individuals with the Sheriff Department, and it's a high standard to prove. You have to prove that something was erased. You have to prove that something was intentionally changed. What you don't realize is that just because this officer filed a lawsuit, it's the start of the game. I mean, he's not in Oz anymore. He's in Malibu. This is a close community. Mel Gibson is loved. He looked terrific in that uniform, and while I do not support
Mel Gibson is loved by whom?
He is loved in the community of Malibu. His friends and supporters there, they haven't changed their tune, but Mel Gibson has had
Have they heard the tapes? Haven't they heard the tapes in Malibu?
I don't know, Deborah.
Mel has had some bad boy conduct, but in the end, when push comes to shove, that officer is going to have hard evidence, memos, videotapes, witnesses to testify, and that closed community, I can assure you, they're going to close ranks at that sheriff's office, and if it's true or not true doesn't matter. It's what he can prove.
They all seem to get special treatment. Here's a photo from TMZ showing Paris being arrested in Vegas on cocaine charges. And the police, Deborah, the police admitted that they processed her as quickly as possible to avoid any disruptions at the jail. Does that argument hold any weight, or are they really just...
Yes,
come on.
No, it does, because, look, we're at a point in time where the bottom line is money. What does it cost law enforcement in the court system for the pleasure of their company? Paris Hilton is expensive. Every time she goes into that police department, into a courthouse, they have to have extra people with the paparazzi taking care of her. Same thing with Lindsay Lohan being in a jail cell. It costs money. So if it takes 3 hours versus 6 to process her, God bless them. They're doing a good job for their system.
Listen to this. She held the box in her right hand, and then with an underhand swoop like a lowercase J, she demonstrated exactly how she intended to beat airport security. She even whistled as she did it. You know, Danny, Paris may not have talent, but her vagina sure does.
Well, I mean, I don't even want to get into the subject matter of what that woman has smuggled in there. But the fact of the matter is, it just shows how stupid Paris is. The woman is she should be arrested and kept incarcerated just for our safety.
Is that how it's done, Danny?
Jim,
that is, in fact, how it's done.
You find
Listen,
this
you may both be you may both be lawyers, but I'm
not laughing at you. I'm laughing with you.
Jim, your last word.
No, I'm watching my career flash before my eyes right now, so I'm just...
And mine too.
I do it every day, Jim. Don't worry about it.
Just stay with me. We'll all go down together. Okay, thank you guys very much.